Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an active license and the right permissions. This prevents dead ends later. Once done, update the writing app to the latest release because fixes are often included. Then close the editor fully and reopen it to reload components. Make sure to clear the editor cache or temporary files. This removes corrupted states that block tools. Finally, sign out and back in so your account flags refresh. This often restores disabled features quickly. Once the basics are handled, reset the editor settings to defaults while saving templates externally, because custom configs can hide bugs. Next, disable all extensions or plugins, and then reinstall only the essential ones to isolate conflicts. Run the app in safe mode to load a minimal environment, and open the error logs to spot specific failures or missing modules. If a plugin caused the issue, reinstall a clean version. Otherwise, the logs guide which component to repair or replace. To finish, recreate your user profile when tools still won't appear. A fresh profile removes hidden corruption. Then perform a clean reinstall of the app, uninstalling first and deleting leftover folders, and restore only verified settings from backup. Test writing tools immediately in a new document to confirm success. If problems persist, collect the error logs and reproduction steps, then contact support. Troubleshooting tip: start the app in safe mode and attach logs. Support will ask for those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.